While searching for a job, I got to know Evision Google review when compared to other online internship training program platform found that it is most trusted online platform. So I contacted them and joined on 16th of July for online internship. It's me, Ashish Shukla, basically from Amethi. I had completed my BE Computer Science from RKDF University, Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh in 2021, and Evision provide recorded class and live online classes. Both are worth to understand and well for hand-on, and I completed CCNA and more topic like networking and N plus assistant. In case of any doubt on each concept, live assistant on project, Evision is really care about candidate to clarify their doubt in 24 hours. That's the best things I would say. I am happy that I got placed in CinePolis with the 2.8 LPA salary package. People who are still searching for best online platform, I suggest Evision. Thank you so much, and Evision and their placement team.